wel klappen. Nee.
Ja, we blijven klappen.
Aukje Hermanns.
Aukje Hermanns live in de Roesjpopshow.
Slowly, I hear your footsteps walking with me and you. You grab my waist, say you wanna take me to a different place, but why I hurt myself listening to you talking about yourself, and I can't choose between your crazy friends and your trust issues. Yeah, you think that I like you, you think that I need you, but you got it all wrong. 'Cause all I wanna say is you don't got a chance, boy. Doesn't matter how much you love me, trying hard and I feel sorry. 'Cause in the end, you don't got a chance, boy. Trying not to pull me closer, but all I want is a smooth and slow one. 'Cause in the end, you don't got a chance when your eyes cross mine sometimes, boy, yeah. I turn away 'cause you're looking at me in a certain way, and I don't wanna hurt you, boy, you make me wanna feel the same way too. I can change myself, I just hope you find yourself someone else. Doesn't matter how much you love me, trying hard and I feel sorry. 'Cause in the end, you don't got a chance, boy. Trying not to pull me closer, but all I want is a smooth and slow one. 'Cause in the end, you don't got a chance when your eyes cross mine sometimes, boy, I know. Yeah, I know. When your eyes cross mine sometimes, boy, I know. Yeah, I know. But you don't got a chance, boy.
Check ook onze Facebook. Facebook.com/Roesjpopshow met OE en SJ.